Christ is perfect God, perfect man. The perfect man is Jesus of Nazareth. The perfect God is the Son of God. We believe as Christians, we worship this Trinitarian God, Father, Son, Holy Spirit, one God. There is no three gods, as some claim and attack Christianity. Hear, O Israel, your God is one. And we all profess and confess and believe and acknowledge and claim that we believe that God is one and one only. But this God who is one has three persons in him. There is the Father, there is the Son, and there is the Holy Spirit. Father, existence of God. Son, the wisdom of God. Holy Spirit, the life of God. God is holy, God is spirit, and in him there is life. But he's one.